are there. You're the nearest thing to heaven that's I've been seen. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me on the top of the world. Something I've learned in my name, it seems telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There's only one wish on my mind. When this day is true, I hope that I will be fine. That tomorrow will be just the same for you and me, and I need it will be mine if you are there. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me on the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Yes, your love's put me on the top of the world. So next to what? Tapos na po ako sa iyo, Sir Bololoy. Kasama ang iyong mga harang. Susunod ko naman pong panoorin kasi mag-i-end na po tayo. Tapos na rin ako sa iyo, babe. Panoorin ko naman tapos na ako sis Mayet. Tapos na ako sa iyo, sis Alice kanina. Sis Nida naman tayo. Cristiano MTV, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sis Nida CM. We'll see. I think Nida CM is started now. So we'll see. He's started now. Well, hindi ko siya panonoorin kasi nag-start na siya. I just wanna say thank you very much for everyone. Mag-highlights po tayo. Top of the world. Let me see this song. Sing this song while I have in mind. Shout out to all of you, my friends. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Let's sing. I'm gonna sing for you. Top of the world. Such a feeling coming over me. Tigay muna, hindi ako makapag-highlights kasi nagkamali ako. I'm wrong. Okay. At least 1 minute of video is needed to start a highlight. Nag-click ko na kanina eh. Tapos 1 minute pa. Tapusin ko ang 1 minute. Tapos mag-highlights po ako. And antayin nyo lang po ako habang po ako'y nag-aantay ng 1 minute para sa aking highlight. Ako po ay iikot muna sa inyo sa mga nakalive na po si Nida. Ikutan ko muna sila habang ako'y nag-iintay ng aking pag-highlights. Tayin nyo lang po ako, 5 minuto lang po yan. Nagkamali ako sa una eh. Napindot ko na una, tapos pinindot ko ulit. Well. Sandali lang po, Asmin sa Cristiano. Thank you so much. Sir Bululi, panoorin pa kita. Asan si Lola natutulog? Paul, what's idol? Sabi niya, natutulog po si Lola, pero paliliguan ko siya maya-maya lang. Si Nida, panoorin ko si Nida. CM, kasi nakalive na siya. Pero puntahan natin, kasi nanggaling siya kanina.